Hello, first graders. Welcome to your grammar job for today. Our target skill for today is I can identify present and past tense verbs correctly. Today, boys and girls, we're going to ask ourselves, when did it happen? Is it happening now in the present? Or did it happen already in the past? Let's take a closer look. Let's read these two sentences together. I walked to school yesterday. I walk to school. Boys and girls, the first thing we are going to look at is the verb. Will you help me find the verb in these two sentences? I walked to school yesterday. The verb in this sentence is walked. I walk to school. The verb in this sentence is walk. Which one happened in the past? This one happened in the past. We can tell that by looking at the clue word yesterday. What do you notice that is different about the two verbs in these sentences? Look at the past tense verb, walked. Look at the present tense verb, walk. How are these different? The past tense verb has an ed. Walked. You say it. Walked. To show verbs in the past tense, we can add an ed. Let's read some sentences and ask ourselves, is this in the present or is this in the past? The runners look at the flag. The runners look at the flag. Do you see the verb in this sentence? The verb is look. Did this happen in the past or in the present? This is happening in the present. Two boys played with a ball. Do you see the verb in this sentence? The verb in this sentence is played. Did this happen in the past or is it happening in the present? This happened in the past. We see the ed at the end of that verb, played, to help us know that it happened in the past. It smells delicious in the kitchen. What is the verb in this sentence? The verb is smells. Smells. Is this happening in the past or is it happening in the present? It is happening in the present. That verb smells does not have an ed. The old lady walked her cat. The old lady walked her cat. First, let's find the verb. The verb is walked. Did this happen in the past or is it happening in the present? It happened in the past. We see ed at the end of that verb. She finished the exercises. She finished the exercises. Where's the verb in this sentence? Finished is the verb. It's what the girl is doing. Did this happen in the past or is it happening in the present? It happened in the past because she finished the exercises. You can see that ed at the end of the verb. All right, boys and girls, now it's your turn to practice reading these verbs and asking yourself, did this happen in the past or in the present? Look for that ED clue for those past tense verbs. Color the past tense verbs blue and color the present tense verbs green. Have fun, first graders!